Hi there, today we're going to explore an interesting feature of Panda CSS. It's called hashing class names. So when you write styles in Panda CSS, Panda automatically generates utility classes and attaches them to these elements in the DOM. Right now I'm in the Panda playground and I have a button that has a color of red.400. So let's go ahead to give the button background color of maybe black. So I'm just going to give it the background color of black. And then a padding of 2. So this is what this looks like. Upon inspecting this element, you can see that you automatically have the class name that has been attached to this particular button. But there are times that you may want to hash these class names for several reasons. Maybe privacy, you want your HTML file size to be smaller, or you do not even want to have a very long class name. You want your class names to be shorter. Panda allows you to be able to hash class names by giving these classes 5 to 6 characters. So to do that, you go to your panda.config file and then using the hash key, you make the value true. So this way, all the class names will then be hashed. So if you inspect this button again, you'll notice that we then have a hash, you notice that we then have a hash on our button class names. That's exactly how to hash using Panda CSS, and I hope this has been helpful. I'm very excited about this feature, and go ahead to try hashing your class names in your project and let me know what you think. Till next time, happy coding.